Hi, I'm Kim from Bushki. We do a lot of field days and I do demonstrations also on how to field dress animals, especially deer. One of the questions I get asked regularly is, what is the best way to prepare the meat and cook the meat? Here we have a simple recipe for you, easy to follow, simple to do, and it tastes fantastic. And by the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hi guys, so today we're going to do venison backstrap and we're going to wrap it in bacon. We're going to have a filling which is going to combine cream cheese with some cooked down mushroom, bacon pieces and onion with a little bit of parsley that adds some green and an extra bit of flavour. We're going to make a slit in the venison, fill it up, wrap it in the bacon and then give a little coating of some extra spice and just see how she all comes out. So let's have a go. So what we've done is we've cooked down the onion and the mushrooms, added it to the cream cheese. So in goes the bacon as well and the parsley. And now we'll just take our time just to fold that in through with the cream cheese. So there's our mixture made up. Now when you do yours, you don't have to follow the recipe exactly, just improvise, try different flavours with the cream cheese as the filling and just see what you like. You might even want to throw some anchovies or something totally different in there, you never know. See how we go. So what we need to do now is take a good knife, and these are crackers, these are Luke Mangan Chef Knives, extremely sharp, and just do a little insert. You're not trying to cut all the way through the meat, but you want to cut a reasonable sized pocket. We've got that opened up inside. We can put a little bit more seasoning in there. If you like, just a little bit of salt and pepper. You can add a bit of garlic powder if you like to, but seeing the meat is already marinated, I don't think I need that. And then we're going to start adding our filling to it. And it's not going to matter too much if some of that comes out. It's going to be nice, gooey filling coming over the bacon. What we now do is place our meat here with our bacon. Start to fold it over and then just roll it up into a nice little parcel. So just before we put it in the oven, one option is, if you choose to, is to put a little bit of seasoning. I've just got a Texan rub on the bacon. Give it a bit of flavour, help that the flavours pop out of it, and give a bit of colour. Now we'll put it into the oven, 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. So here we are, it's been in the oven. It's been at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. So let's just see how she comes out. I've rested it for 10 minutes, which is the ideal thing to do, and look at that. Medium rare, beautiful. Look at that. Bit of pink, no red, ideal. And always remember to give thanks for the food that we have. Jack, thank you Jesus for this food. Amen.